Hey everyone, it's Braelyn. Welcome to Braelyn's site. Today we are going to be revealing my puppy surprise, and this is popcorn. She loves getting attention. So here's the first part of the box. It says puppy surprise. Mommy is having puppies. Guess how many? 3, 4, or 5. Popcorn and her puppies. How many girls? How many boys? I wonder what they'll be. Let's see the back. Popcorn is a lap dog, and she loves it. She loves getting attention. She is as sweet as they come, and makes for the perfect friend to cuddle with. Popcorn is always the first to want to snuggle up with you when it is movie and popcorn time. She is just waiting for you to make her your BFF. Meet the moms. Zoe, Popcorn, Sugar. And I got the middle one, Popcorn. Okay, so I'm going to show you that one. I got the peel. Now, let's see. Here's Popcorn. She has pink hair and she has bows on her tail and in her ears. There. And she has silver ears in her ears. She has silver there. It says PS on her collar as the charm for puppy surprise. She has white fur, she has a blue eyes, she has a sparkly purple nose. There's a little tongue sticking out. And she has a purple face with a white face too. Now I'm going to see how many puppies she has. But first, I need to show you. There is a little tag right there that says puppy surprise. That's just numbers. I don't know what I'm doing now. Okay, so let's see. I'm excited. Oh, look. It's a little girl. It's not a girl. Yeah, it is. It's purple. Come on. I think this one's a boy. Let me see. This one. I think all 3 of them are girls. Let me see. This one is a girl. This one is a boy. And this one's a girl. So I got 2 girls and 1 boy. Got 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's so cute. Let's get one more close up of Popcorn. Let's see the babies too. Babies. There they are. Close back. They're cute, guys. It's for family. Little 2 babies. 3 actually. I did miss. Look at all them. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video and I hope you subscribe. Bye bye.